This is Stern Vanquish. Stern Vanquish is a product distribution company based in the UK who specialise in the automotive aftermarket industry. Stern Vanquish is built upon a strong set of core values, which it follows to conduct business. These values are professionalism, integrity, environmental responsibility, customer satisfaction, and punctuality. Reciprocated throughout the supply chain, these values keep products and service to the highest standards. Stern Vanquish works with car dealerships, independent garages, and motor factors up and down the country, as well as manufacturers and distributor networks globally. Supported by a strong team of sales and marketing experts, enables them to bring products to market in a timely manner. Stern Vanquish, experts in product distribution.